Let's start the fourth section, the z-test of hypothesis for testing the population's proportion. To test the proportions of the populations, we use the z-stats formula for the proportions. Here, as you can see, the z-stats formula involves the value of the sample proportion, which then involves the number of events of interest in the sample, and also the sample size. And the second value that is used in the z-stats for proportion formula is the hypothesized proportion of event of interest in the population. So let's go directly to the problem set. A study analyzing the height of Indonesian citizens states there are 50% of Indonesian citizens whose height equal to 165 centimeters. A consultancy firm would like to test the claim by studying a sample of 100 respondents. From the sample's analysis, they found that 55 of the respondents' height is indeed equals to 165 centimeters. At the 0.05 level of significance, can the consultancy firm conclude that the proportion of Indonesian citizens with a height of 165 centimeters is indeed 50%? Let's apply the 6 steps approach. First, we state the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis will be stated as the proportions of Indonesian citizens whose height equals to 165 centimeters equals to 50%, and the alternative hypothesis is stated that the proportions of Indonesian citizens whose height equals to 165 centimeters is not equal to 50%. Let's go to the second step. We choose the level of significance alpha of equals to 0.05 and the sample size of n, which is equal to the respondent size 100. Third step, we determine the appropriate test statistics. Here, we use the z-stats test statistics for the proportion. Going to the fourth steps, we determine the critical values that divide the rejection and the non-rejection regions. And then with an alpha 0.05, we divide the error term in both sides evenly to the left side and the right side. Then the alpha for the left side and the right side will be equal to 0.05 divided by 2. And by using the cumulative standardized normal distribution table, as we did in the previous example, the first example, we can have the z value of the sample here with an alpha of 0.025. First, we locate the error term value of 0.025, and then we define the z number, which is minus 1.96. Then, going to the fifth steps, we compute the value of the test statistics of the sample by using the previously stated z-statistics of proportion. Here we enter the value of sample's proportion of p, and then we also enter the value of the population's hypothesized value of pi. And then by entering the value of p of 0.55 and the value of the hypothesized population's proportion of 0.5, we come to the result of z statistics equals to 1. And then we go to the final step. We state the statistical decision. Finally, we come to the sixth step. We state the statistical decision by comparing the z-stats value of the sample and the critical values which divide the rejection and the non-rejection region. Here, we see that the z-stat value of +1 is indeed located within the region of non-rejection. Here we can see that the value of +1 lies between the value of minus 1.96 and plus 1.96, which is the critical value of the region of non-rejections and region of rejection. Thus, the null hypothesis, which states that the proportion of Indonesian citizens whose height is equal to 165 centimeter, cannot be rejected. This is the end of section 4, the z-test of hypothesis for the proportion. Thank you.